PSBank Fund Transfer to GCash. How to send money from PSBank to GCash online. And if you're new to this channel and you want to see more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Ang plan ko talaga is to transfer money from PSBank to GCash, then to other bank. Kailangan ko kasing lagyan ng pera yung account ko sa ibang bangko. So, ayoko na kasing umalis para mag-deposit. So, naisip ko, why not use GCash to facilitate this bank-to-bank transfer? Again, pwede namang PSBank to GCash lang, which is yung gagawin natin sa video na to. Pero kung interested ka rin kung paano mag-transfer ng pera from GCash to other bank, you may check yung iba pa naming videos. So, let's start. To transfer funds from PSBank to GCash, first you need to go to psbank.com.ph. Then, click this button, Login. And a new window will open. Here, it shows na maraming options para makapag-transfer ng pera from PSBank. We can transfer funds via InstaPay or Pesonet. Pwede ka rin mag-transfer ng pera from PayPal. And of course, pwede rin sa GCash. Hindi lang siya nakalagay dito. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. By the way, before we proceed, may mga videos kami about InstaPay and Pesonet. Soon, gagawin naman namin yung video about PayPal. So, let's proceed. Enter username and password. Then, click Login. Kung wala ka pang PSBank Online Banking Account, ito yung link para makapag-register ka o makagawa ka ng online account with PSBank. Then, ito na, nakapag-login na tayo. On the left-hand side, ito na agad yung options for GCash transfer. So, I'll click this button, GCash transfer. Then here, for step 1, choose a transfer type. You have two options. First is PSBank to GCash. This means you will transfer to your enrolled GCash account. Second is GCash to PSBank. So for this step, I'll leave it as it is, PSBank to GCash. Then here's my registered mobile number. Ito yung number na nakalink sa GCash account ko. Then for step 2, choose your source account. Kung marami yung account mo sa PSBank, kailangan nung mamili. Pero since sa akin isa lang naman, hindi ko na kailangan. Naka-tick na siya by default. For step 3, enter the amount. So, I'll transfer 300 pesos. Then, click continue. And review all these details. Kung may mali or may kailangan kang baguhin, simply click the back button. But since tama naman lahat, I'll just enter the PSBank password. May mga instruction online na OTP yung dapat i-enter. For my case, hindi yun yung nangyari. So, if ever nagagawin mo rin yung PSBank to GCash fund transfer, you can enter your password or OTP na nasend sa phone mo, depende sa hinihingi sa'yo. Sa akin, PSBank password yung kailangan i-enter. Then, click this button, Submit Request. Hintayin lang natin siya na mag-proceed. And finally, ito na yung acknowledgement or confirmation na successful na yung pag-transfer from PSBank to GCash. You can also save this transaction as a template for future use. Sa akin, hindi ko muna siya i-save as template. So, click ko tong button, View Statement of Account. So, may service charge yung send money ng PSBank to GCash. 10 pesos yung service charge. Kanina, 10,785 yung nandito, pero nabawasan na to ng 310 pesos. Yung 300 is yung tinransfer ko sa GCash, while yung 10 pesos naman is yung service charge nga. Since nakapag-transfer na ako ng pera from PSBank to GCash, ang next ko naman gagawin is mag-transfer ng pera from GCash to another bank. Malaking tulong yung GCash for me. Imagine I can transfer funds to over 30 banks for free. So stay tuned for our next video, and also please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below para mas maging updated ka sa mga videos about easier financial transactions and also options to grow your money. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.